Need to get some more power up there.
This is my 700cc two-stroke monster dirt bike, and that's my dad. Recently, he's been talking a big game about how this thing wouldn't be that scary to ride and wouldn't be that difficult. So today, I'm going to gear him up, I'm going to fire the beast into life, and we're going to scare the ever-living crap out of him.
We've just stolen this lawnmower and we're making a getaway. No, we're cutting a track in the field because Max has had a crazy idea to let his dad ride his dirt bike. We're going to cut a track in the field, and then we're going to send Max's dad round on a really fast motorbike and see what happens. Which should be quite entertaining. Okay, I'm slowing down now, so don't fall off.
Oh, last time, 2004, CR250.
How confident do you feel right now?
Yeah, I just think I've come from an era, mate, full of two strokes. I don't see what all the fuss is about. It's just a two-stroke with a slightly larger engine than a 250. Yeah, it's like, you know, no drama. Let's see.
So you can see behind me, Dad's getting ready to roll. First time he's chucked some gear on in a long time. Dad taught me and my brother everything we know on bikes, and then the story goes in the family that he quit as soon as me and Jordan, my brother, were getting just about as fast as him on 65s, and he quit racing. That's the story that we tell ourselves, but in reality it's probably more like he realised paying for 3 guys to go race was a little bit too much, so he stopped racing and focused on me and my brother. So he hasn't ridden since 2004 on a motocross bike. So he's been talking a lot of big game recently about how the Meg wouldn't be that difficult to ride. He taught me everything I know. He'd be able to do it easy. So he's getting geared up. It's a moment of truth for the old man. Just about fits into my gear as well.
Yeah, let's see you fit in it when you're 52, mate.
Okay, so we've cut a track into the field here, and I'm going to let Dad loose on the Megalodon. He's going to spin a few laps and get used to it, and we'll see how brave you're feeling afterwards.
Okay.
But to really up the ante, I'm going to get the stopwatch out.
Hang on a minute, hang on.
Yeah.
You haven't said anything about stopwatches.
To get him going faster, we're going to get the stopwatch out. We're going to lay down a hot lap challenge. You're going to lay down your fastest lap, and then I'm geared up so I can lay down my fastest lap. Loser washes the bike for the next 3 months. Yeah?
Yeah. Okay, alright, let's do it, let's do it. I can't believe you stitched me up with a lap time shootout, but there we go.
You've been talking a big game, so the game is on.
Let's do it. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! That was wheel spinning in 3rd gear. Corner, corner, corner. Down the gear. Keep it tight. Oh my god, oh my god. Take it off. Oh my god! Holy smoke! That thing's got some power. Here we go, here we go, here we go. This is a longest straight. Oh my god! Need to get some more power up there. Oh dear. I need Mac to start. I was going a bit cocky into the corner. Going a bit cocky into the corner. I just locked the back brake up. Well, we got to get some views somehow, boy. Right, if you jump on. Oh, nearly. You can stand on it if you want. We'll try again. Bit less cocky this time. As I slid down the track. Anything for YouTube views. That was for you, Max. Not that you let me forget it. I crashed the Megalodon. I think what I did, thinking about it, I changed it to 1st gear. I don't know if it locked up. Anyway. This thing is fast, man. With a capital full, I missed that corner a little bit. That's going to slow my time down. Back up on the pegs for the dirt section. Here we come. Find the track this time, here it is. She don't like to turn. I think I'm actually being a pussy now. Use the brakes, down in here.
Honestly, I was flying right behind you, and I just was like, "Oh, he's off! He's off!"
You're fourth person to ride the Megalodon.
First person to crash it.
I think I remember someone crashing it at the Donk Max on the left-hand corner.
No.
So I think I'm the second person. But I've only done it for the views, mate, for the good old YouTube.
It's funny because the bike's probably done about 300 miles, but it's done about 35 metres on its side down that field.
So all I want to say is that the lectures we used to get, Dan, when we were kids riding it, first 2 laps, just learn the track, don't go hard. And who's crashed in the first lap?
As I say, not as I do, eh?
Yeah.
So before I set my hot lap and before we see whether Dad can redeem himself in another very special little challenge, I've got to tell you guys about this cool new collaboration we started with the awesome guys at 24MX. 24MX are a global motocross parts and accessories distributor, and they stock some of the motocross world's leading brands as well as their own products. And I'm so excited to showcase some of these products in our videos and offer you guys some mega discounts as well. For example, this wicked layover stand is one of my favourite new gadgets. It will help you wash the underside of your bike safely and with confidence. And you guys know that I've got to make sure that our special builds look brand spanking new after every ride. If you head over to 24mx.com, they've always got mega discounts on their products, but if you also use our discount code MAX15 as well, you'll also get another 15% off of this layover stand. I've included a link in the description down below if you want to check it out. A massive thanks goes to 24MX for sponsoring this video and for supporting the channel. Now let's throw it back to the Hot Lap Challenge.
Okay, 2 more laps. Okay, let's go, baby, this is it. Hard on the brakes. Luckily we got those Moto Master systems to get us stopped. Keep on the gas, keep on the gas. Open her up! And into the dirt. Yeah, buddy! Get some time up here. Oh, my Lord! Woo-hoo-hoo! If I've not beaten them there, I'll wash the bike for 6 months because no way he was pushing that hard. Not a chance. Not a chance, boy! There's not a chance in hell you've beaten me round there. I was just saying, as a father, if I win, you're only going to sulk. So I did take it easy a little bit. Oh, mate, I said at the end there, if you've beaten me, I'll wash your bike for 6 months because... You know, it's my first ride, you've ridden it before. So, don't get cocky.
Here we go. I'm older than you.
I've ridden the Megalodon.
So we've done it then. The old chap, the old man, has, I'd say, survived a meeting with the Megalodon, but she did bite back, right?
Just slightly, just for the cameras, bit of playful fun.
Yeah, I said it earlier, but we always used to get lectures when we was kids to take it easy on the first few laps because you don't want to be crashing when you first go out there. And then, does he listen to his own advice? Absolutely not. Right, so let's get down to the business then. Lap times. I was 6 seconds a lap quicker than you, Dad. So that's 3 months of washing the bike, I'm afraid.
Hang on a minute though, how long was the course, roughly?
Lap time wise?
Yeah.
About a minute.
So 6 seconds in a minute isn't that much, to be fair.
It's a flat field though.
Yeah, but I haven't ridden for 18 years. So in 18 years, you're only 6 seconds. Like you rode last week.
Not on this.
No, not on this, but if I'm only 6 seconds a lap slow, I'll take that, man.
If you're fighting me on this, I'll give you one chance of redemption, okay?
Okay.
We'll play a cat and mouse game. I'm going to take the Megalodon and we'll get you on a 500 KTM 4-stroke that we've got here. And I'll give you 15, 20 second head start?
Yeah.
Or more?
Well, over how many laps?
5 laps, I'm saying.
5 laps, 6 seconds. Yeah, around 30 seconds.
We'll give you a 30-second head start. And if you can stay ahead of me in a 5-lap moto,
okay.
1 month for washing the bike instead of 3.
Okay, no, I'll take that. But if I stay ahead of you, you're washing the van for the rest of the year.
Deal.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Did you press record, Dan?
Chase me. I see you running back to someone else. I'm racing. Going up and down, back and forth, counting bells.
Here we go. 500 KTM. God, it feels gutless compared to the 700.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Nearly stalled it into that. 4-stroke power.
19, 20.
There he is, he's giving me 30 seconds.
Let's go! We're half a lap to catch up, there he is! 2-stroke versus 4-stroke cat and mouse.
Here he comes. He's chasing me down. It's given me a good start, to be fair.
On the gas, oh lock it out there. That's where the old boy crashed earlier. Head down then, focus.
I can't let him win this.
There he is over there. Whoa! Into the dirt, this is going to be where I catch him up the most, I reckon.
This is where I have to be careful into this corner. This is where the crash happened. I'm not going to do that again. Smooth, nice 4-stroke, smooth.
No time to mess about. That one done.
He's coming, he's coming. Oh, where's the track gone? I can see him, I don't think he's gaining.
We're catching, boys! We are catching! Let's go. I'm coming towards the end of lap 2 for me.
Down a gear. Nice and steady.
On the gas round here.
He's coming.
There he is, we are definitely closing in.
Uh-oh. He's on it, he's on it, he's on it, he's on it.
That's lap 2 done. We're on lap 3 now.
I'm in trouble. I don't know how he does it, look.
I can't even see him anymore. We're going loose, baby!
Can't see him. Careful in this corner. Oh, he's coming.
Lap 3 done. Lap 4, 2 laps to go. Let's go! He's in our sights now! He's in our sights now, boys and girls!
It's definitely catching me, but is it enough?
Oh, this thing's a beast! Oh, I get distracted there, that was a slow corner!
He's ripping.
Into the dirt.
I can't see him. I don't know if that's good or bad news. Getting tired now.
Lap 4 done! We're on the final lap now! And I can see that brake line!
Oh, he's right behind me.
There's many months on the line of watching the van here!
I've got a Megalodon breathing down my neck!
Come on, Megalodon! Let's do this!
Oh, holy, he's right behind me.
Woo!
It's a bit like Top Gear, this. But mine is Stig or is Max. Let you decide.
We've got on the rear wheel! Let's go!
Oh, he's on my tail.
No! He's gonna beat me! No! No! He's beating me! No! No! Let's do him! Let's show him!
Ah, the Megalodon's got me! On the back wheel! Fair play! Ow! Ow! I've got no answer for the Don. Mate, I gave her everything too.
You beat me though!
Did I beat you?
That was lap 6 I passed you
Oh,
on!
I thought I'd won! I thought you'd won!
You won!
Yes! I've done it! Clean the van, mother sucker! Oh dear! Mate, I couldn't hold you though, dude.
So there we go, guys. Keep it filming, Dan. My dad rode the Megalodon and then he rode a KTM 500 and beat me. I am ashamed, I am embarrassed. But life moves on.
Max, I hope you don't show that last lap and you stop it on 9 laps.
Yeah. As always, guys.
Mate, when you come past, I got roosted so much.
I was on the back wheel past you. Anyway, guys, my name's Max. That was my dad. Thanks always for watching. This has been 999 Laser. Until next time, I'll see you at the track. How long do I need to do this?
Only 6 months.
6 months.